So this is the pepper plant that I did in that video. If you go back, you can go back and watch. The leaves were like burnt and rolling up, and had a lot of peppers. You know, the banana, jalapenos, they were all doing it. And sent it to the NRC. They said it was from being hot and cold. And what happened down here in Alabama, it got really hot, like in late February, early March. And then it got really cold. And even though these are in the greenhouse, we heat the greenhouse. Anything below 40 degrees, we will fire the heat. So it was getting inside that greenhouse, it was getting up into the 90s. And fans were coming on to cool it. And that went on for 3 or 4 days, and then it got really cold. And I was skeptical when they told me that, hey, they'll grow out of it. But because they look really bad. Go back and watch that video and see just how bad they did look. But you can see they have bounced back, and they are producing bell peppers. So they knew what they were talking about. But anyway, that's the pepper update. Y'all like what you do?